Okay, now beautiful question to start with. Let me just take you a step back. So before leaving the armed forces, I was into psychological, quantification of personality at a different, at subconscious level, that is body languages, conduct, behavioral traits, and other things. And when we started this journey of Invencio about some time back, a lot of times we saw the children, as well as we could see there was a lot of gaps in the understanding of the parents also, which started pouring in. And we realized that this gap is not only in the mind of children, or the how to improve their weaknesses, how to strengthen their whatever the qualities that they have. So we started pivoting in that particular direction. And when we started pivoting and we were doing a little bit of corporate training as well, we found that the leaders who were part of this entire engagement, they actually needed most mentorship and hand-holding rather than the junior level managers and all, because everything flows from top. And that is when about 5-6 months back we pivoted into this direction. And the leaders, when we call, even you are a leader, every human being is a leader, every human being is a soldier, as is what I proclaim. And everybody who's a soldier is a leader in themselves, क्योंकि रोज कोई ना कोई डिसीजन लेने होते हैं इंडिपेंडेंट. दिल्ली में तो सड़क पार करना भी एक डिसीजन है अपने में, कि कैसे कैसे पार करें और कौन सी बस लें, कौन से किस तरीके से जाएं. That is where we started interacting. When we started interacting with these leaders, we found that mostly they are senior leaders. We are vice presidents, managing directors, senior vice presidents, general managers and above. And we found कि जनरली भी से कि ऊपर जितना आप जाते हो ना, आप उतने अकेले हो जाते हो. आपको कोई बताने वाला नहीं होता कि अच्छा नहीं आप ये करो, आप वो करो. आप जो भी करते हो वो मान लिया जाता है कि हाँ वो ठीक है, और उसी की सब लाइन लेते हैं. नाउ इफ देयर इज़ नो फीडबैक सिस्टम, अगर आपको कोई बताएगा ही नहीं कि आप क्या गलत हो, या जनरली वी टिपिकली से कि इफ़ यू डोंट नो व्हाट यू डोंट नो, देन यू विल ऑलवेज बी लाइक you will be like a blind person who is trying to find his way in a desert. So when we started interacting with them, so we found that they have a voice, but that voice is not heard in the manner they want to convey. Now when we say voice is directly related to your thought process also. तो अगर मैंने कोई चीज़ सोच लिया और मैं वही बोल दूं और सभी बोलते हैं हाँ वो तो सही है सर, बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रहे हैं. नाउ एज अ ह्यूमन आई वांट टू इवॉल्व, आई वांट टू ग्रो, आई वांट दैट फीडबैक फ्रॉम पीपल, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई डोंट वांट टू बी वेरी हार्श, आई डोंट वांट टू एट द सेम टाइम आई डोंट वांट टू बी वेरी सबमिसिव. तो ये सब चीज़ों को जब हमने नोटिस किया तो वी फाउंड दैट कम्युनिकेशन वाज अ बिग इशू, कि हाउ टू कन्वे योर पॉइंट इन द राइट मैनर. सेकेंडली the understanding of the empathy towards the subordinates, क्योंकि आप हर रोज सुनते होंगे कि आज यहाँ से इतने ले ऑफ हो गए, कल वहाँ से इतने ले ऑफ हो गए. Now you see there are certain business decisions which have to be taken at that stage, at that stature and that position, but how to take the right decision at the right time. Don't be overthinking about it, don't take a rash decision also. So ये सारे जो issues हमारे सामने आए, then these were the main things that we started addressing.
Okay.